Okay, example 1. It asks us to write a conjecture that describes the pattern in each sequence. Then use your conjecture to find the next item in the sequence. A conjecture is just a concluding statement based on the pattern that we are seeing here. So if I look at letter A, movie show times, it says 8:30, 9:45, 11, and 12:15. Well, if I look at each one specifically, I should be able to start seeing a pattern. Between 8:30 and 9:45, I'm noticing that that is an hour and 15 minutes. The same thing as if I would go from 9:45 to 11, that looks to be another hour and 15 minutes. And then the same thing between 11 and 12:15. So my concluding statement that I would like to make is the next show or next movie will start in an hour and 15 minutes. That is my conjecture or my concluding statement. After you write your conjecture, then it asks for the next item in the sequence. So if I take that same concept of the next movie will be in an hour and 15 minutes, I'm going to add that on to 12:15. So my next movie time then is going to be 1:30 p.m. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay, we'll scroll down here to the bottom. Let's do an easy one. Let's go with 1B. Okay, if I look at 1B, we kind of do the same thing. If I look between 10 and 4, how I go from 10 to 4, it looks like I am subtracting 6. We can make the same idea between 4 and -2. It looks like I'm subtracting 6. And from -2 to -8, same thing. So I'm going to say then my conjecture is I am subtracting 6. Or you could say adding a -6 if you would like. Then it asks for the next item in the sequence. So if I take -8 and subtract 6, that will get me -14. That is going to be my next item in the sequence.